guys, Funky Monkey for you here, and I'm going to be feeding my lizard a wax worm today. It may look like his tank is like not lightened up, but it is. We have a 75 watt light, so it is really bright. So now, just gotta open up his wax worms. I tried to make a video of him eating apples. He just doesn't want to cooperate. Just put you looking at him while I open up this wax worm thing, because the lady put a lot of wrapping. Okay. Wax worms. So, it's just going to be a little treat for, oh, I think you like this one. Is he still alive? Yeah, he's still alive. Okay. Oh, they're so mushy. Like my third time touching. Oh, look at that. Mommy! Oh, sorry. Oh, that was stupid. Oh, this wax worm is like, she's like scared. Oh. Did you see that? Okay, we're gonna give him one more. One more. Oh, that one was a good one. So yeah, this is the Funky Monkey for you. First time my bearded dragon Puff, and it's a female. So tell me if you have any female names, guys. The first time she's eating wax worms. Yeah, so she seems to like them a lot. Yeah, and she's a little skinny, so that fattened her up. Okay, guys. Yeah, I gotta clean her tank. It looks really... just that one spot is like really dirty. And I gotta get her windows. Yeah, so this is the Funky Monkey for you, signing out.